I have some cookies here because I have no self-control. Guys, so my plan for this video was to be really, well, maybe it was lazy, I don't know, but I was gonna make it kind of like vlog style with the vlog camera, but I turned the vlog camera on and it was dead. So we're still gonna try and do vlog style, but with this camera, which is a little bit harder to vlog with, but let's just cut right to the chase here. Okay, so I moved about almost 2 months ago now. When I posted my last room tour, I actually had already moved into this place, and I kind of knew that I wanted to do another room tour of this place because, I don't know, there's just something about like just like documenting like where you're at so you can look back on it later in life when you're like completely past that time of your life. I just enjoy it, and I think people get curious when people move because they want to see what their room is like. You're obviously watching this for a reason, so that's all I'm gonna say. I moved here on September 5th, and I have 4 roommates, and this is my room. So let's just start with this section behind me. Here is this section. We have the door. It's a brown door, and it sticks, and like when I pull it open, like it gets stuck. I'm not gonna do it right now because my roommates are sleeping, and I've already done it like 5 times today. Just have my coats and my purse hanging here. I have this Hello October, even though, wow, actually it's November 1st now that you guys are watching this, so I'm gonna have to change this. Little, what is this called? Felt, what is this called? Letterboard? I think it's called a letterboard. I got it at the dollar store for like $4, I think. It's cute, it's cheap, but I like it. You know, I needed something up there. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know that unfortunately, this TV did not make it through the move. So it's not plugged in or anything because it doesn't work. So down here we have my little Crystal Skull vodka thing. It's just filled with water. There's nothing alcoholic in it right now. So we have this guy, which is a Fujifilm like Instax camera, and then I have my Instax like little book with all the pictures in it, and that thing is chock full. I have one of my Polaroid cameras, and I have my Olympus OM10, which you guys actually seen in the last room tour. Not gonna open this up. I can't remember if I opened this in the last room tour, but there's a lot of like just junky stuff that I just threw in there that was like on the desk, so we're just gonna keep that closed. Over here we have my little box of like Polaroids that don't fit in the book. Instax wide, there's a Polaroid 600, there's the skinny ones, and then I also have these ones. I know these ones don't look like Polaroids, but they are. And then we just have these sliding closet doors, which again, not gonna open because my roommate's room is literally on the other side of that closet. You don't want to see that. You don't want to see what's in there right now. So this is the section of the room with my bed. You guys probably noticed with this room's like a little bit smaller than my old room. The last room that I had was really rectangle and it was a bit longer. You've already seen everything inside of it. It's just like in different walls. But as you guys can see, I actually got my wall collage up in the last room tour. I never got it finished. I only got like 2 rows, but this time when we first moved in, I was like, we're doing it. And I got it up. So this is this side of the room. Also guys, I was way too lazy to dig the tripod out of the closet over there. So this is the situation that I just used to get the shot of me sitting on the bed. So on the bed right now, I just have my computer because I am exporting a vlog. It's not quite done yet. Oh, there's Taylor's face, by the way. I have some cookies here because I have no self-control. So this is just like the same like blanket and everything that I had in the last video. These pillowcases my nan gave me. This is the bed that I've had forever. Got my little water bottle over there. Someone in my last room tour was like, I want your blanket. And I was like, I got it from Urban Planet, but I can't give it to you because then I won't have a blanket. But let me know in the comments down below if anybody has any like tricks for getting like, this is obviously white, but it's not just plain white. So like, you know, after a while, like it's not because I'm gross. Like it just like gets kind of brownish after a while. It's just the way white stuff is, but I can't bleach it because there's like green on the other side because it's reversible. See? So let me know in the comments down below if there's any way to like get the whites a little bit whiter without bleaching it because that would be helpful. Sorry, I promise you I'm not disgusting. It's just the way life is. Here is the full collage wall. Actually, I was thinking about putting another row, but I just didn't like, they would go like down the crack of the bed a little bit, but I didn't want to like squish them and rip them off while I was sleeping. So let me know what you guys think if I should put another row down there. So this is my nightstand. It's just filled with lots of little dippity doodads. This is like some string lights that I really, ta-da, ooh, that looks fun. Anyway, this is like some string lights that I need to put up on the wall. They're like curtain lights, so they kind of hang. This is my little night light. I don't like sleeping in the dark. Some people like need the dark to sleep, but I'm not one of those. This is just a box of stuff I never put away. Same with this. This was actually sitting down there until I put it on this chair to use it for that past angle. I don't know why I'm so like lazy that I can't get the tripod out, but like I can move my entire room around. Here's the desk. Here is where I should sit and do all of my editing and computery things, but in reality I usually just sit on my bed, you know. Sometimes I actually just pile a bunch of stuff on here so I can't. So we have this chair that came from IKEA, and this little cushion thing came from the dollar store. Ain't even gonna lie, pretty sure the tag's still on it. $4 from the dollar store. The dollar store is coming through, let me tell you. They got like actually decent stuff these days. So the desk is a little bit messy right now, but we pretty much just have the same setup as I did in the last room. This is just the camera bag, then we got the lamp, the speakers, MIDI keyboard. We got a water bottle, gotta stay hydrated. I know, this is probably the messiest section. We have like my light up mirror, all my makeup stuff here. We have the vlog camera down here, and then we have backpack down there that actually has all my makeup stuff in it right now because I'm actually leaving later and I'm bringing my makeup with me. So then we have the mirror. Oh, you can see my DIY tripod. It's beautiful, isn't it? All right guys, so that concludes my series of room tours for 2019. I swear this is the last one I'm gonna post for probably a long time, so and let me know in the comments down below if you guys like watching room tours. But yeah, also since today is November freaking 1st, holiday video is gonna be starting real soon, like in a couple of weeks soon, so let me know in the comments down below what you guys would like to see for holiday videos. Do you want to see DIYs? Do you want to see gift ideas? Do you want to see what I got for Christmas? What do you want to see? Let me know in the comments down below, and with all that being said, I will see you guys next Tuesday because I'm posting 2 times a week until I fall off the wagon again, but hopefully until at least the end of 2019. So Tuesday and Friday, come back to my channel, probably between the hours of 2 and 4 Eastern Standard Time because I looked up on Google and they told me that was the best time to post. Also, don't forget to check out my vlogging channel, which is also linked down below. I will be starting Vlogmas on December 1st. Well, the first Vlogmas video will be up on December 2nd, but you get the idea. I also have a music channel, which is also linked down below. Don't forget to find me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter. And I have a TikTok. I've had a TikTok for so long. I used to like do like the lip sync videos, but now I do more like cover stuff. I hope I don't have a middle part. I always film and then I get a middle part and then I'm editing. I'm just like, I love that for me. Yeah, with all that being said, I'll see you guys next Tuesday with a brand new video.